Welcome. We are learning 3 Max and you are watching 5 Minute Max, where you will spend only 5 minutes to learn what I'm going to teach you, and you'll learn something new about the program of this 3D Studio Max. So today's topic, uh, we'll be learning the Create tab. The Create tab, what we'll be learning. Last time we learned about how to create text, and we have used some of the uh, object types or shapes uh, during modeling that. But we learn about the Create tab only. You have to understand a few things. Max, how Max works is it has different tabbed uh, group of functions which are bound into like little buttons, and when you press that, that thing happens using a script, and it starts like doing the exact thing on the viewport where you can like look at that object. So let's uh, go to the first group leader. The group leader is like the tab. It's named as create, and it has several different sub tabs or subgroups. So it has geometry. Geometry is like the uh, creating standard primitives like box, like cone, and you can already understand like it creates differently every time you create different type of objects. Your clicking pattern change, your time of clicking changes. It has object type of like standard primitive objects, a group of standard primitives. It has like extended primitives, which is a little different shaped object, which has like little more controls on the right side of the command panel. So these sort of primitives are lives in underneath geometry. Now, uh, each one of them has different ones, and I will be covering each and every uh, subgroups of this subgroup, which is a group of create. So under the create tab, under geometry, we'll be learning all of these one by one. But for today's episode, we'll be just like going through the types of uh, functions which are bounded to create tab. So on create tab, we have geometry, we have shapes, we have lights, we have cameras, we have helpers, space warp, systems. Each of them has different functions and sub-functions, and those thing does most of the work where you're just like trying to click on the function and execute it on the viewport, and it represents you the graphical form of that. So you can create geometry, shapes, lights. We'll be talking about that. Everything is a geometry in a model. You basically see geometries. It may or may not be shapes. We often use shapes to like build many different things, like ropes or sometimes even complicated models. Um, and we have lights. Each scene uses light. Now we can see already a light here, which is like the default light. So we have like these three types. Then we have cameras. So we can like create camera. We can create helpers. We'll be talking about what each of them are from next episode. And um, I'll start from geometry and some of the sub functions. So we'll be covering a lot. I hope you guys are already enjoying my this type of like tutoring. 5 minutes of your time, and all you do is just like focus, learn something new about the program, and let us know what you think uh, about the functions, and if you're stuck in any point where you're trying to solve something. So let us know your thought, and I'll see you guys next time.